Welcome to the Moxi Skates YouTube channel. I am Estro Jen, founder of Moxi Roller Skates, and I want to thank you so much for coming to my very first ever free roller skating lesson live. This is lateral agility drills, and we're going to do 2 of them, but in a different style each. So it's going to make up 4 moves. So you can do this to the beat of music. You're going to keep it in a squat, head, knee, and toe in alignment. You're going to step. Keep your gaze in the direction that you're going to be moving. You're gonna take your weight, put it to the left, or the outside, or the opposite foot that you're gonna be moving in. You're gonna step to the right, shift your body weight into that foot, and then bring your feet together. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, our last exercise is going to be the same lateral movements, but we're going to be crossing over. And you'll see this move in Richard Humphrey's roller dance, downtown move, right in the middle here. So it's a crossover step. And we're gonna cross over. The way that you do this is you're gonna shift your body weight to one side. You're gonna, we're moving to the right side right now, so I'm gonna take my right foot and put it behind me. And the reason why I do this is so that I have a lot of room here in my hips to turn in this direction while crossing my outside foot over the back foot. So front foot crosses over the back, step together. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, keep your gaze in the direction that you're going. Split your stance, crossover. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is really great because you're kind of off balance because you're rolling forwards and backwards while traveling side to side. You can do these in double time too. And you can also switch them, which really feels natural to me. Maybe because I've practiced the downtown so many times. All right, I'm just gonna add a little bonus trick. So when you're doing the crossover, you can easily make it a downtown by just adding the split pump at the end of the downtown. Please subscribe to our channel so that you can get notifications of all the lessons that are gonna be rolling out. I'm so excited to teach you dance moves and ramp moves and street moves. And I can't wait for the day that I can bring my friends so that they can teach you too. All right, thank you very, very much for joining me in my driveway in my backyard. Hope you have a lovely night. All right, signing off, this is Estro Jen. Bye-bye.